This is all our kit we're going to be taking on our journey to cross Scotland from Fort William to Inverness. Stick around to the end if you want to see if we get it all into the boat. But our journey is going to take us across Loch Lochy, Loch Oy and Loch Ness. All the individual items in the kit. So we've got our buoyancy aids. We haven't used these yet, but they feel really comfortable. We've got our trolley for those portage sections. Should be nice. Hopefully it stays on. We've got our single blade paddles. They're from Rook Sport. Really, really good paddles. Heavy but nice. We've also got a double-ended paddle. We're going to use that just as our emergency paddles, just in case. We've got our pump. Definitely need the pump. We'll take that with us. In this bag, we've got all our camping gear. So if you want to see what's in there, make sure you watch the full video. We've both got personal dry bags, and we've got our sleeping bags in there, midge nets, clothes, that sort of stuff, one each. I've got my filming bag, got all my different cameras and drone and stuff like that in there. We've got our ultralight chairs. Zoe's is actually smaller than mine. We've got a throw line, an extra throw line for the boat. We've got our cook kit and mugs and cutlery, things like that. And then in this pile, we've got our food. We've got breakfast bars. We've got coffee kit. We've got first aid, midge kit. And then we've got sweets. We both have a poncho, just in case we have a wet day. I also have my fire kit, got a knife and a flint and steel. We've got the sail, just in case we have a windy day. We've got the map to the Great Glen Way, compasses, just in case. We also have a camo cover for the boat, just to keep everything dry. I've got my husk hammock, a flex tail gear pump, and that's it. We managed to fit it all in, just about anyway. So we did try sitting in there and feels pretty comfortable. I think we're going to get away with it, but we won't tell until we're on the water. But this boat is rated to hold 230 kg. We leave in the next few days, so hopefully the adventure should be out in the next few weeks. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our epic adventure across the Great Glen Way. Hopefully we'll see you there.